Hey everyone, Bambi here with Creatively Bambi. Today's episode, I'm going to do a little fun spin on what I typically do here on my channel. This is going to be a little fun game. It's like one of those this or that, or like would you rather type of things. I got the idea directly from another YouTuber who is very close actually in proximity to me. Her name is Samantha. Her channel is Happily a Housewife. I love watching her channel. You know, you just have those few YouTubers that are just like your go-tos. Well, she's one of mine because she is just on top of things. I kind of relate to her because she has 3 kids. I have 3 kids. Mine are a little older than hers, but she's just on it. So I got this idea from her. I thought it would be fun to do here on this channel because it's food related, and you know I love everything food. So here we go. This or that. And I took this list directly from the list that she did. So when you're done watching this one, go over and watch hers too because she was fun to watch. There's some really cute stuff on there. You know, just it doesn't matter how old you get. You have your specific taste that you like, and who cares if it sounds a little childish? It is what it is, right? Okay, here we go. This or that. I wrote it all down. Look at all this. It's fun though, and it goes by fast like that. By the way, did you notice I have on, you see that? I have on a new lip gloss. Yes, there's more serious things going on in the world, but I never wear lip gloss. I'm a tinted chapstick type of gal. I never really wear makeup either unless I'm filming. Clearly, I have a face full of makeup. Anyway, I hope that doesn't look too crazy. There's all kinds of colors on there, and this was like, it's like very plain pink was as wild as crazy as I was getting. I might switch it up though. Okay, anyway, here we go. This or that. Coke or Pepsi? I'm going to say Diet Pepsi. And I'll tell you why. I don't even really drink soda. I'll have a soda every now and then from a pizza place that we like here in DC. It's called Pete's, and we love it. And they have the best craft sodas. Oh, their sodas are so good. And they have a diet soda. The only reason I say diet, I don't really diet and particularly, but do you remember like if you were around, I graduated high school in 1995, it was like the fad to like fat free and no calorie everything. Well, my friend and I, Beth, you've probably heard me say her name before, we always drank diet Pepsis because we thought it was healthier. And so that taste is ingrained in me. And so if I had to have a soda, it would be a Diet Pepsi. But like I said, I really don't drink soda. My go-to is water. Anyway, okay. White potatoes or sweet potatoes? I would say white potatoes, but I do eat sweet potatoes because they're healthy. They're not my favorite, but I do have a recipe that made me enjoy sweet potatoes a whole lot more, and I'll link that for you below. TV dinners or home-cooked meals? Definitely home-cooked meals. TV dinners, now I do like a good, quick and easy something, but like the traditional TV dinners that we had growing up, they never heated up evenly. Like I would always get the one that had like chicken and mashed potatoes, and like the mashed potatoes would be frozen in the middle and the chicken would be like rubbery. Anyway, so home-cooked meals. Obviously, I like to cook. You know that if you're here watching. Salad dressing or oil and vinegar? Okay, I'm going to say, well, I have to say salad dressing because my favorite salad dressing is like a balsamic vinaigrette or a red wine vinaigrette. If my only choice was something like creamy, I would go for oil and vinegar any day. Chips Ahoy or Oreos? I love cookies. I'm not really an Oreos fan though, so I would have to say Chips Ahoy with a glass of milk, please. Oh, cookies and milk. You know you like it. And if you don't, you know someone who does. All right, gum or lollipops? Oh, gum all day, every day. I have gum all the time. And when I don't feel like gum, I feel like gum. And when I don't have gum, I feel like I'm missing a limb. Like, you know, when you leave your phone somewhere, when I don't have gum, that's how I feel. Oh. Anyway, rice or noodles? Noodles all day. I love noodles. I know they're not very healthy because it's like heavily processed sweet, but oh, they're so good. Lucky Charms or Cinnamon Toast Crunch? No thank you. Neither one. Not a fan. Fruit or veggies? Listen, if I could never have fruit or veggies ever again and stay healthy, I would skip it. But I eat fruits and veggies because I have to be healthy. So if I had to pick one, I'd probably say fruit. But I do make sure I get in my veggies too every day. Beer or wine? Cheers. Wine for sure. Red wine, please. But I'll go for a Pinot Grigio in a second. I won't turn it down. KFC or McDonald's? Neither one, no thanks. Wendy's? Yes, I would go to Wendy's, but I'm not a fan of KFC or McDonald's. Sugar or sweetener? How about natural sweetener? I like honey to sweeten like my tea and my coffee, so I'll go with that. I don't put sugar. I don't like add sugar to things unless I'm baking, of course, and you have to. Okay, Vlasic dill or Heinz dill pickles? Okay, neither, because here in DC we have a company, a locally owned company that makes they make their pickles. It's called Gordy's. Oh, their pickles are so good. That's who I would pick. Kit Kat or Reese's? Oh, Reese's any day. Yum. But I wouldn't turn down a Kit Kat either. But if I had to pick, Reese's for sure. Man, there's something about chocolate and peanut butter. Speaking of that, candy or chocolate? I'd have to say chocolate. I would have said candy 10 or 15 years ago, but as I get older, I don't like candy that much anymore, and it's kind of interesting. Because, man, you know, over the holidays, the candy is around. I used to not be able to control myself. Halloween candy, but now, meh. But the chocolate, yeah, I like that. All right, tomatoes or green peppers? Okay, so we were talking about veggies a minute ago. I'm not a huge fan of vegetables, but I do like green peppers and I do like tomatoes. I mean, I'm not in love with them, but, you know, if there was a cookie or a vegetable sitting there, I'd pick the cookie. But I do tomatoes and green peppers, sure. Okay, rich or, I don't know if rich. Ritz or Breton crackers. I've had those. I'm not like a huge fan, but I guess I would pick the Ritz, maybe. Trader Joe's has a good Ritz cracker that is good, and it doesn't have as much stuff tossed in there. Salt or pepper? Both. Can I say both? I didn't grow up, we didn't grow up like seasoning our food a whole lot growing up, but my husband's like, we need salt and pepper in that. So I have evolved to using salt and pepper a lot more. Not too much, you know, not in an unhealthy way. But pepper, fresh cracked black pepper, please. Yum. Oh, the little grinder. Oh, it's so good. Okay, blackberries or blueberries? I would definitely pick blueberries. I like blueberries a lot. They're good. I put them in my smoothies or fresh ones on my yogurt, stuff like that. Frosted Flakes or Corn Flakes? Oh, neither. One of my girls loves Frosted Flakes. I mean, they're okay, but meh. And Corn Flakes back in the day, oh, I would have been putting sugar all over them to choke them down. I can't imagine adding sugar to my cereal now, but man, as a kid, I would have said, pass the sugar jar, please. Plain chips or salt and vinegar? I'm not a huge fan of potato chips. I like barbecue chips. But I guess I would do salt and vinegar. Or plain. Ooh, plain chips on a sandwich. Does anyone ever do that? Oh, here we go. White bread or wheat bread? Okay. Wheat bread, like whole wheat bread, not like heavily processed wheat bread. My kids like the honey wheat, so I'll get them that. Wheat bread, or maybe like rye. I guess rye is in the wheat family. Or my husband loves a brown rice bread. But listen, some good old fresh white bread back in the day with a slice of bologna. It's almost embarrassing. Oh man, we used to love a bologna sandwich on white bread. I haven't had one of those in years. And don't fry the bologna. Oh, don't go there. Anyway, okay. Apples or oranges? I would say I'll eat both, but they have to be sliced, because when you bite into an apple, the peel always gets caught in my teeth, so I have to cut it up, you know, like I'm a little kid, but so what? It works. Oranges, I have to slice them. I can't have big chunks of oranges or I feel like I'm going to choke on it. Ugh, and that white pith, ew, it has to come off. Okay, salsa or chip dip? Meh. I guess salsa if I had to pick. I mean, I like a little bit of French onion dip, I guess, but it's definitely not at the top of my grocery list. Steak or chicken? Oh, steak. Grass-fed, please. Yum. Oh, with some potatoes with it and a fresh salad. Anyway, or grilled. Oh my gosh. I'm going to be hungry by the time this is over. Grapes or cherries? Oh, cherries. I could eat a whole pint of cherries all by myself or more. Lemons or limes? Meh. I don't really care about lemons and limes. I might put some fresh squeezed lemon on a salad or something. Sprite or 7-Up? No, thank you. Not a fan. I might take a sip, but that's it. But my brother-in-law gets Sprite. Yeah, it's usually Sprite sometimes. And he'll make a wine spritzer with it. Some wine and some Sprite, some fresh fruit. It's good. Okay. Water or milk? Water. I'm a big water drinker. I drink water every single day, several times a day. That's my go-to. I don't really do flavored drinks too much. Veggie or pepperoni pizza? How about pepperoni pizza with some veggies? None of the veggies are going to like make it soggy, but like maybe throw on like some caramelized onions and mushrooms. That's good. At my favorite pizza spot with a Diet Coke. I mean Diet Pepsi. Anyway, lima beans or kidney beans? I'm indifferent, I guess, but if I had to pick, I liked lima beans growing up. And you know, I haven't really made those as, like oh my gosh, it's been a long time since I made lima beans. My mom used to make them a lot. My sister hated them. I liked them though. I'm going to say lima beans. I feel like maybe we put butter on them or something. I might be making that up. I don't know. Okay. Carrots or celery? I guess carrots, I guess, but I'll eat celery too. Like Samantha said from Happily a Housewife, she said she likes hers with wings. Yum. Me too. Okay. White milk or chocolate milk? Oh, I love chocolate milk. One of my girls loves chocolate milk too. We have chocolate milk together sometimes. Jam or peanut butter? How about jam and peanut butter on white bread? Yum, like a peanut butter and jelly. Oh, I mean, I wouldn't go make a white bread peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I don't even buy white bread, so it wouldn't make a difference, but you know. Anyway, fried or scrambled eggs? I eat eggs because they're good for me. They fill you up because they have all that protein and vitamin D, I think. Either way, it doesn't really matter. Strawberries or raspberries? Can I have both? How about if I have the strawberries in a smoothie and raspberries fresh? Cream cheese or sour cream? Cream cheese, sour cream with the potatoes, like roasted potatoes. Oh, beside my steak. Butter or margarine? I don't do margarine. Butter. Margarine scares me. Who knows what the heck is in there? I don't deal with that. Turkey or chicken? I think it's all the same to me. Apple pie or pumpkin pie? Meh, neither. Banana cream. Oh, I mean apple pie or pumpkin pie, yeah. Either banana cream or coconut cream pie. My Nana has a delicious coconut cream pie recipe that is actually in my first cookbook, available on Amazon. That's really good. However, can I just have a chocolate pie? Yeah, like a chocolate pudding pie with graham cracker crust. That sounds really good. Pudding or yogurt? Chocolate pudding and a pie. With graham cracker crust. Ooh, and a little whipped cream. Wine or champagne? Okay, when I first saw that one, my first thought was wine. I don't really want champagne. But then my friend Peter, about 4 or 5 months ago, she and her beautiful family live in Annapolis. So we were there. they had some friends from out of town that were in, and they popped open a bottle of, I think it was mango champagne. It was good. It was really, really, really good. They were rationing it out too. It was good though. Okay. Where am I? Watermelon or honeydew? Both. I like watermelon and honeydew. I think they're both delicious. Soup or stew? Both. I'm a super stew girl, but really only in the like colder months. I don't want super stew when it's hot outside. Ice cream or frozen yogurt? Meh. Neither. I guess the big thing now is like frozen yogurt shops where you can put all the delicious toppings on. So I guess for that reason I would say frozen yogurt, but I have really sensitive teeth and cold things hurt. Like I don't even really like ice water unless it's really, really hot out. I like my water room temperature because it hurts my teeth. Ketchup or mustard? Okay, if it's a hot dog, ketchup and mustard, but I put mustard on like the on like the last quarter of it because I don't want mustard all over it. So I put it on the very end of it, and then I get a little taste of mustard if I want it, and then the rest of it has ketchup and some onions on it too. And I don't care if I have onion breath. Mayonnaise or Miracle Whip? I really don't care too much about either one, but if I had to pick one, I would definitely say mayonnaise. We used to have Miracle Whip growing up. I mean, my husband was a mayonnaise type of guy when he was eating that stuff. But now they have the mayonnaise that's made with olive oil, so I've been getting that, so it's not as bad, if that makes any sense. Anyway, okay, so that was the This or That food edition. Again, I got that idea from Samantha on Happily a Housewife, and I hope you like it. Now, if you have not subscribed to Creatively Baby, make sure you do that. I've got a lot of fun videos and recipes and life hacks and tips and all that good stuff, and I'll actually put a few of those right there for you if you haven't seen them already. So, thanks for checking in with me today, and I'll see you next time.